friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about the Dollar General clearance event that's right around the corner from February the 27th, 28th, which is the Saturday, and March the 1st. It is a 3-day event as of now, and the importance of this is the clearance section, an additional 50% off. Pairing that with digital coupons, what can we get for free during this 3-day clearance event? That's what we're here for. So again, right now it's slated for 3 days, but sometimes the powers that be at head office will extend it for up to a week. Once that memo drops, we'll know definitively, and I'll share that with you at a later time. Your homework right now is to really scout your stores, go to the clearance section, look for these orange POG stickers in your store. Is this worth your time? Yes or no? This event will be very heavy on clearance air care, so digital coupons we will look at in a second to load. And again, 50% off of clearance with digital coupons, some stuff so cheap. Another aspect of this is a lot of stores, not all, but if you live small town USA, which a lot of us do, they pull out these gray totes from the back that have their clearance stuff because they don't have enough room for it. When these come out, sometimes there's a lot of penny items that weren't around during the last, penny lists, toys, a lot of little odds and ends you might be finding in here, medications. So definitely you're going to want to scour through those because you might find the big one. And I think for a lot of shoppers, probably the toys will be the big one that you're going to find in these. So definitely don't be shy to look for them. And typically, sometimes stores even start setting up for maybe the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday before the clearance events start on that Friday. POG stickers. What is that? What is she talking about? A lot of stores will start throwing these up various parts of the store. So right now, if you buy this little salt shaker set, it's going to be $1.50. During the clearance event, with an additional 50% off of the price, it'll be 75 cents. So for a lot of these home goods that are stickered, look for these throughout your store. And if your store doesn't even tag them, well, that's when it gets really great because the average shopper won't know what they're looking for. But if you know what you're looking for, you can get the bigger savings. Now, this is one item the stores have been hanging on to for dear life. It's a lot of the Christmas and holiday scent cleaners, dish soaps, hand soaps, whatever your store might have. Right now, a lot of these items, like off the top of my head, I think the Palmolive is $2.45. So during the clearance event, that bottle of apple or winter spice, which is a brown colored bottle, it'll be like $1.22. If we have a dollar digital coupon, we're still a couple weeks out, so we might be provided one. It'll be 22 cents for that bottle of magic. And I know a lot of you, when you can line up math like that, like 22 cents for some dish soap, it's what it's about. Fabuloso Mr. Clean. And then this one specific, I think the cranberry and the tree one are still $6, but this one's $4.50. It's in a lot of clearance sections. I know a lot of us have that $2 mailer that came from P&G. If you still might have it, it'll make it 70 cents. And I will make a video with all the matchups. This is just stuff that I find really interesting that I saw 2 days ago when I was at the Dollar General, and these are all fresh photos. They're not from like 10 years ago or whatever. Another list of items that may be part of it, and I've seen it in a lot of clearance sections, is that Wicked line. So they had detergents, scent beads, little brooms, and they're supposed to be 50% off. So, if you have the time to get out there and scout, I mean, if you can get this with a digital coupon very cheap, why not? Another item that I haven't seen in a really long time is this Dove lotion. I know that they discontinued a bunch of them, but this Body Love one, it was at one store and they had a huge amount of it. And I'm like, what? So if we get a $2 digital, this might be, next to nothing, if not very cheap. Just one item I would watch out for. Like, whatever's your favorite, load those digital coupons as well right now. If they start, if they have an expiry date, the 27th or later, obviously be smart with that. Anything with a expiry date that's sooner won't work for the clearance event. And there was a lot of food that was very heavy. So air care and food, those are the two items that I saw a lot in the clearance aisle. And this isn't like stuff that's been in the store for like 10 years. We have the Nescafe Ice Roast, which seems glorious. Lots of candies, chips. I saw some Cheez-It crackers. Again, on the 23rd, 24th, I'll make a video with all the UPCs, but just to show you like a couple, I'm like, wow, I think this is going to be a really good clearance event for some of these items that we love to buy. Now, what's the difference between a digital coupon and a cashback? A digital coupon, so for example, that Purex, you'll get $2 off of that bottle at the register. How a cashback works is you will pay the amount, and after it gets processed, you'll get $1 back on your Dollar General account. That in the future, you get the cashier to scan your store. It's like a barcode. It's right in the app, and then you'll get that $1 off. So hopefully that's crystal clear, but that's the difference between digital and cashback. When I make my video on the 23rd, and I know I'm like a week ahead of schedule, there's a lot of coupons that a lot of you will say, hey, I can't load that anymore. What are you talking about? So if you load these ahead of time, a lot of them are valid the 27th, 28th, right till the 1st. These are the ones that I would load. All of the Neutrogena ones, the $2 off of the Tresemme, and the 2 off of 2 for the Lysol. We have $1.50 off of the Palmer's. We have a $2 off of the Gold Bond and $1 off the Vaseline. All of these load. And if you might have $1 off Vaseline manufacturer and $1 off store coupon for Vaseline, you can actually stack those two during the clearance event, which is a bit of magic. All manufacturers are also of a one-time use on your Dollar General account. We also have this glorious $2 for the Axe. Making this one rather easy where you just have to find one unit, not two of them. So I am liking that. There's lots and lots and lots of air care that's part of this as well. And every section I was looking at, it was a lot of like specifically Febreze and Airwick, just a ton of it, and a lot of new stuff. And it's a lot of stuff from like summer of last year, like the berry ones, watermelon. Just load any air care coupon. Time for a pop quiz. This bag of cat food right now is, I believe, is $7.05 at the Dollar General. It was part of the clearance event that was in November. Yeah, it's $7.05. And it's still kind of expensive, and every clearance section had a couple bags of these. And like, well, who cares? It's good till September. It's a great item to donate. And guess what? Currently to load right now, you have a 6 off of 2 that expires on March the 11th. So $7.05 for 2 bags, because it'll be 50% of that price. Subtracting this 6 off of 2, you're paying $1.05 for 2 bags of cat food, like 55 cents per bag. Even if you don't have cats, this is a terrific donation item. Go scout your stores and load these coupons and get smart about the clearance event. 55 cents for cat food. Do I have your attention? Fantastic.